Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be playing Busy Business. I've never even tried this before, but it's like this game where like you can have like a little business and you can upgrade your business, unlock new businesses, and expand your empire. So we're gonna try it out, okay? So let's join. Okay, we're in and let's check out. Okay, so I'm guessing we have to make some lemonade because I saw Ashley Unicorn's video. Go subscribe to her because she's awesome. But, so I saw that we have to, let's make some lemonade. Because we gotta get his order. Okay, now we gotta take his order. And now give it to him. There we go. Oh, hello. Oops, caps. Okay, so we're just gonna talk to him. I better go get back to my order. So we're just gonna say have a good day. So, okay, now we're gonna go take his order. Let's see what he wants. 2 lemonades, okay. I think we got that. Hands full. Oh yeah. Here's 1 lemonade for you. Now let's make another one. Okay, we got another one for him. Okay, bye-bye. Now, I want to see if we can... I don't think we can upgrade yet. Someone has $26 billion. Oh my gosh. Oh, we got Santa! Okay, so he needs 2 lemonades. Here's 1 lemonade for you. Why do I keep jumping on the counter? There you go. Have a good day. Oh, there's a new customer. She's so pretty. But first, before we get her order, we're just gonna run over here and see what this guy has to do. Santa will randomly visit your business. Complete his order for Gingerbread Man. Okay. Now this pretty girl right here, oh my gosh, they're so good. Next we're gonna be playing like my restaurant or whatever it's called. I will start posting more daily, like stuff like that. Like I might be posting like twice a day or something like that, but I will be posting more. Let's see what this guy wants. By the way, there is Christmas music playing in the back, so don't mind if you hear any Christmas music, because we are just trying to get in the mood, people. Comment down below if you guys are in the Christmas mood, or if you guys aren't. Oh, I got this golden lemonade. I wonder if it tastes different. Why am I even saying that? This is a game. Okay, there's 1 for you. Now we just need to make some more. Now I just need to shake my mouse. There we go. Now let's give him this. Can I even upgrade my shop yet? I don't even know how. Oh, upgrades right here. $50. Okay, we need $50. Let's make some right now. I don't even know how to do that. Whatever it says, like swipe. Oh gosh. I got 12 seconds to give it. There we go. Oh my gosh. That was, so, like, I got so rushed and, like, so stressed. But let's put up some, let's pay for this real quick. Okay, yeah, now we can do it. There's a lemonade for you. We need an employee next. I'm making money really quick. Today I need to go to Target in real life because like I just need to get my dad some gift cards. And I might go to Starbucks today. Comment down below also what you guys get from Starbucks. I get a vanilla bean frappuccino. I haven't tried any of the Christmas drinks. I don't know why. I don't know if I like them. Comment down below if you like any of the Christmas drinks. Comment down below if you have any recommendations. So let's see what we have next. After we give this guy his order, we can check out what the next thing we'll buy for our upgrades. Okay, so upgrades. What should we do? Buy another blender. Okay, first we're gonna hire an employee, an assistant, so he can help me make stuff. Here we go. Oh! Oh my gosh. Wait. Why does this look like my friend so much? That looks like my friend, and it doesn't look like me too. It looks like my twin, kind of. Doesn't it? Not gonna lie. There we go. We got 32. Now let's add another blender. Can you guys hear the music? I might go live soon. Maybe like in a couple days or so. Or maybe today. I don't know. Oh, it's Santa. We're gonna take Santa's order. I see another. Here you go. Now let's try to upgrade our lemonade. There we go. We're level 7. Oh gosh, he needs... Okay, now let's take this guy's order. I just got $168 from him. Buy another table, more space, more lemonade. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna buy another table. I guess. Oh my gosh, I want to jam out to this Christmas music. So we bought another table. Okay, so let's make some more lemonade. I hope we can get to a new store soon. Can you guys hear the Christmas music? Comment down below. I have so much things you guys have to comment down below. Just don't ask, okay? Let's see. I don't know what our next video should be. Any recommendations for any games? Make sure to go subscribe, like, and comment. There's a lot of things I had you guys comment, but I might be doing a Bloxburg money giveaway. Guys, I just spent $148,000 on Christmas stuff, and I'm not even done because I just need to stock up. So, yeah. But I might be doing a Bloxburg money giveaway. So make sure to comment your username, and I will definitely hope to give you guys some. And now I have like only like $168, but I'm definitely gonna get more money. This is a lot of work, guys. Okay. Why do I keep jumping on the counters? It's Santa. Now, okay, so we just need to upgrade our shop now. Let's see what else we can upgrade. Okay, so we got all of our upgrades. Okay, so we've gotten, our next business is $351, so let's try to get our money up to there. Let's see what our awards are. Okay. Let's give him his order. I just need. There's so many customers, guys. Okay, let's go make some. I bought this blender for me and this blender for them, but it looks like we switched up, but it's fine. Guys, my Alexa is talking. Alexa! Please shut off. I don't know what else to tell her. So yeah, make sure to go subscribe. Oh yeah, I didn't. Why was I trying to serve him, but I didn't even have any lemonade? I might do a different stand another time with you guys, but for today's video, this is just gonna be the lemonade stand. Actually, we can, I mean, for the next 5 minutes, I guess, we can make another stand. Building business. Okay, guys, we are back. But just make sure to come back for our next video, because we will, well, my next video, there's going to be all kinds of things, but next video, I don't know what I'm going to do yet. But come back for future videos for us doing the hot dog stand. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a good day. Make sure to enter your username in the comments down below, smash that like button, and subscribe. So yeah, put your username down there and I can do a Bloxburg giveaway soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. I've gone broke. Actually, guys. Okay, bye.